Welcome to this tutorial. Using ChatGPT, we will build a React app with Firebase Authentication. In this tutorial, we will manage user state with the Context API, and style our app with Bootstrap 5. By the end, you will have a fully functional app with login, signup, profile, and home pages, including navigation with React Router DOM. So let's start building. First, we will configure Firebase for authentication. If you don't have a Firebase account, create one. If you have an account, then log into your account.
Create a Firebase account and log into your account. I have already created an account and logged in. Go to the Firebase console. Click on Get Started with a Firebase project. Enter your project name and continue. We don't need Google Analytics for this project. Turn it off and click Create Project. Firebase will create your project. Press Continue. Now you will tell Firebase what type of app you are creating. For this tutorial we will make a web app. Click on Web App. Give a name to your app. We don't need Firebase hosting, so we leave the checkbox unchecked. Click Register App. Firebase will give you configuration code for your React app. You can copy and save it for future reference. Click Continue to Console button at the bottom. In the console, Firebase will be showing services Firebase offers. Click on Authentication and click Get Started. Now you will select the sign-in method you want to use in your app. We will configure email and password method. Choose email password method. Enable it and save. Now our Firebase is ready to accept user information and store it. Let's open up ChatGPT and give it a prompt to suggest steps to create React project.
This is the prompt we will use to create a React app in ChatGPT. I will leave this prompt in the description of this video. Now ChatGPT will generate the code of all the components, pages, and routing needed for this project. Now we will create a React project using Vite. In VS Code, open a new terminal and create a new Vite project. Give it a name. Select React and JavaScript. Go to Project folder. Now install the project. We will install the dependencies now. For this project we need Firebase SDK, Bootstrap, and React Router DOM. Open the project folder in VS Code. Add Bootstrap to main.jsx file. Create a Firebase.js file in the source folder. Copy code from ChatGPT into this file. Replace configuration code we have saved into this file. Create a contexts folder inside the source folder. Create a file named usercontext.jsx in context folder. Copy code of user context file from ChatGPT and paste it in the VS Code. Repeat this process for creating components folder and in that folder creating header.jsx and footer.jsx files. Also copy the code from ChatGPT to these components. Next, create a pages folder in source. Create home.jsx, login.jsx, signup.jsx, and profile.jsx files in this folder. To set up routing, replace the code of app.jsx with the code from ChatGPT. Delete all content from index.css. In terminal type npm run dev. Click on Sign Up. Give a user email and password to register. You can confirm that user is now registered in Firebase. In navbar, you can see that the user is logged in. Log out and go to login page. Put a wrong username and password. The app will give an error. If you put the right username and password, the user will be logged in. Thanks for watching. Please suggest in comments more topic you want us to make videos on.